In a world where mobile infrastructure never stops, seamless connectivity, safety, and security are vital. Introducing the future of intelligent sensing of rail assets is here. TSA, in partnership with WAGO, presents TraxSentinel Smart Advisor, innovative solution for level crossings. And an anticipated fault within rail infrastructure means unplanned downtime, urgent requests for support, and safety risks to the public. Traditional systems can be slow to respond, causing delays and frustration. Every minute counts. With TraxSentinel, dispatchers and maintenance personnel will have real-time data and the ability to be notified of alarms, notifications, and predicted maintenance needs for level crossing equipment. TraxSentinel provides prompt reporting of level crossing equipment failures, ensuring reduced incident response times, and provides maintenance personnel with anticipated repair profiles. Move forward with confidence and revolutionize urban transit with TraxSentinel. Reach out now to learn how the solution can better serve you.